Scott Hall, tributes paid to WWE star Razor Ramon. He's died aged 63. I remember.
Did you watch wrestling before?
I mean, I didn't watch a ton of wrestling.
Ben?
I did, however, play the wrestling video games.
Which one?
Oof. I don't remember. Royal Rumble, is that a game?
Maybe.
What did I play?
That sounds like it.
I don't know.
There's a really fun WCW one.
Oh,
On
WCW,
N64?
WCW NWO.
I think so.
I probably played it.
That was like a highlight.
I probably played it. You're trying to throw
really
guys out the ring and you're trying to do multiplayer.
Grab chairs from the audience.
I mean, I was
Really
probably
fun.
doing those type of things as a youngster. But yeah, I remember the NWO stuff and he turned into Scott Hall at one point. He wasn't Razor Ramon after that, if I recall correctly.
He was also called the Diamond Stud when he first started off
Okay.
in his like really big wrestling debut in WCW.
His friend and former wrestling partner Kevin Nash said on Monday Scott's life support would be discontinued once his family was in place. I have to prepare my life without him. In the present, Kevin wrote, I've been blessed to have a friend that took me at face value and I him. Scott, 63, emerged in the 1990s along the likes of Hulk Hogan and Sean X-Pac Waltman.
X-Pac.
Yeah, I remember that too. He was inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame in 2014. So it doesn't say what he died. I know he was struggling. Oh, there you go. Never mind. It does say after falling and breaking a hip in early March, he had hip replacement surgery but suffered complications due to a blood clot. Following the okay.
So I think I read that he had multiple heart attacks. And he was on life support a couple days ago.
Yeah. Yeah. There was a thing with like Diamond Dallas
Page.
with yoga and recovery.
Oh, yeah?
I don't know if it was a TV show. I had seen some clips and they had been trying to sort of get former wrestlers out of tough spots and back into shape and things like this. I feel like he was on the show or they had been together a number of times and tried to support one another here and there.
Yeah. There was a really sad documentary about his life and how he actually killed someone just due to self-defense.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And a lot of drug use and alcohol. And yeah, but, he really imprinted his way into like the wrestling lore. He was one of the most famous ones.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah.
The bad guy.
Razor Ramon.
Well, during his career, he won many titles, including WWF Intercontinental Championship 4 times, 2 WCW United States Heavyweight Champions, 1 WCW World Television Championship, and 9 WCW World Tag Team Championships. Wow. He says he was inspired from Al Pacino's character, Tony Montana, in Scarface.
Right.
Razor Ramon.
Cool.
That's pretty cool.
Rest in peace.